Hi, this is Shannon McKinley, and welcome to the TicketCity Update Desk. This episode will tell you how to make the most of your experience at DKR Memorial Stadium for a Texas Longhorns football game. DKR is one of the largest stadiums in Texas with 2 levels, 3 major club areas, and over 100,000 seats. Using our decades of experience and proprietary recommendation algorithm, here are our top 3 recommendations. The absolute best seats at DKR are in the Texas Club, sections 28C and 29C. Straddling the 50-yard line, these comfortable chairback seats have the best view of any club seat and get you access to the Texas Club hospitality area. This hospitality area is air-conditioned, has an all-you-can-eat buffet, and a full bar. The unbelievable views, comfortable chairs, and club access make Texas Club 28 and 29C the best seats in the house. Fans more interested in view than comfort should check out sections lower 4 and 5. Located directly behind the Texas bench, these sections are equipped with metal chairbacks starting in row 6 and are often shaded for the second half of day games. If rain is in the forecast, sitting in rows 53 to 78 will put you under the cover of the overhang and help you stay dry. One of the best values at DKR is the north end zone, where we recommend lower 16 and 17. These seats are typically 75% cheaper than premium lower level seats and provide a unique experience. The UT band enters through a field under the tunnel and sits close by, making the atmosphere in these sections loud and exciting for UT fans. After a Texas win, the team runs to the corner and sings "The Eyes of Texas." Experiencing this up close is unforgettable. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any additional questions or concerns about this venue, please feel free to email us at updatedesk@ticketcity.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Shannon McKinley, Director of Communications at TicketCity, reminding you that the best source of knowledge is experience.